Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff's collection. This one is a Hitachi TH-601 AM pocket radio. It's about 1970s. Uses 3 AAA batteries. Tuning dial right there. Volume on off right there. A cloth carrying strap. And the earbud connection is right there. You can see it's about 3 inches by 4 inches by 1.5 inches. Very hefty for the size. And let me see if I can open it easily, and I'll show you all the components that are packed into this thing. Check that out. Of course, my camera doesn't want to focus. Let me see, where is my camera trying to focus? I give up. So it's loaded. It's got 7 transistors. And there's the little antenna right there. There's where the batteries go. Very clean, very, very clean. Put this back on, snaps in place. There we go. And Jeff, in his notes that he gives me with each of these radios, he's got in big letters, note, if the radio squeals when you turn it on, then just slap it a couple of times and it'll stop. And that happened. Matter of fact, I might try it again just for grins. Turn it off. Yeah, I turned it off. No, it's okay now. So I guess it's after it's been off for a while. Kind of tinny. See how it tunes. It's kind of jumpy. Doesn't tune smooth. Strong station. Pick it up all stations. There's a squeal. Whoa. Yo, receives very well. Very clean. Nice carrying strap. Let's see, it's about 2 3/4 inch by little over 4 inches by about 1.5 inches. Really feels, it's got a massive feel to it for its size. I guess it's all those components in there. They are packed in there. So that's it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. They're very unusual radios, and most of them, if not all of them, are in pristine condition. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.